Hey guys, 𝗬𝗲 here at Elite. Guys, we are at Elite Fireworks of Texas. Now, this shop is closed at the moment because Texas is a seasonal state. However, though, in today's video, it is all about 200-gram cakes. Matter of fact, we are going to show you guys true up to 200-gram cakes versus the ones that are not. So that way, whenever you shop for fireworks, you are a very savvy shopper because in every category, not everything is as it looks. Just because something says it's up to 200 grams, that does not mean that it's actually 200 grams. The same way as a lot of shells say 60 grams, but they're actually not. Now, the first item that we are going to pick, of course, we are going to go to the one and only Lawbreaker from Apex by Elite. Now, this is an amazing up to 200 gram standard cake, 25 shots. For each one of these, we are going to show you the product video. So let's just go ahead and show you this courtesy to Apex. Now that was Lawbreaker. Up next, we are going to show you an item that, let's just say, because it's classified up to 200 grams, it really is not. And of course, we're talking about the generic stuff. This is Color Pearl. Now, a lot of different brands have this, but this one that we have in store right now is from 𝗲𝗲. So let's just go ahead and show you the product video courtesy of 𝗲𝗲. Definitely different show, especially if you consider those 200 gram versus 200 gram. Up next, we got another great one. This is Raging Willow by Raccoon Fireworks. Now, this one is up to 200 gram. It's pretty packed, guys. 19 shots. Let's just go ahead and show you this one courtesy of Raccoon Fireworks. That was Raging Willow, amazing cake. Now up next we got a cake with 36 shots, and that is Happy 36 by Brothers. Again, this is another item that many different brands have it, but let's just go ahead and show you this not so 200 gram cake. Now, one of my favorite, Bling Bling. Of course, guys, you're going to get massive shots with this one, as well as lots of shots, because Brothers is known for that. Let's just go ahead and show you a true up to 200 gram cake right now. Last one, we got Garden in Spring by Brothers. Again, this is another item that many retailers sell it, but let's just go ahead and show you this one in action. So there you have it. Now, something that we noticed between all 6 of these cakes, obviously the ones that are true up to 200 gram cakes, much bigger breaks than the rest. When it came to all the other ones, the tube size is just not big enough to get big explosions. And to be honest with you guys, all of the second cakes in the comparison between one to the other, those were max up to 100 gram. Just because something is labeled up to 200 gram, that's not always the case. And as you can see, the tube size right here for the Bling Bling, it's no comparison. But there you have it, Pyros. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button because it really helps us out. And thank you so much, and we'll see you guys in another video right here on our channel. Bye-bye.